Yak Backpack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Backpack. I have a magnifying glass. It makes everything so big. It can help me find bugs. Look, I can see the face of the bug. Let's see what's on this bug. This is a grasshopper. On the back of the grasshopper is an elf. An elf. Did you know that elves help Santa make gifts? Elf. This is an elf. I think he helps Santa. Here's our magnifying glass. Let's see if we can find another bug. Oh, look how big this bug looks. This is a ladybug. She is so happy. What is on this picture? This is a picture of an egg. An egg. Do you eat eggs for breakfast? Okay, let's see what else we can find. What am I looking at? What kind of bug is this? This is a snail. And this is an ear. This is an ear. Your ears help you hear things. Okay, what can we find now? What can we see in our magnifying glass? This is a flower. Okay, let's unfold the note. This is an eel. An eel. We found an eel on our note. One bug left. Can you see it in my magnifying glass? What do you see? I see a butterfly. And now I see the direction of east. The arrow is pointing to the east. The butterfly is flying towards the direction of east. She is going east. Bye-bye.
Yak Backpack. Yak Backpack.